Jendela UNESA, the news programs that brings you the latest information from State University of Surabaya, with me, Sabrina Seila. The Faculty of Psikology UNESA recorded its name in the Indonesian Record Museum with the title Butterfly Hug by the most students. Increasing the number of professors, UNESA inaugurated 9 professors from diverse fields. And to good viewers, here is the full information of Jendela UNESA. As a preventive effort to prevent and eradicate the abuse and illegal distribution of narcotics, or P4GN, UNESA, through the Directorate of Prevention and Handling of Strategic Issues, or PPIS, held a public lecture with the head of the National Narcotics Agency of the Republic of Indonesia. This activity was a form of UNESA support in the national P4GN action. State University of Surabaya, through the Directorate of Prevention and Handling of Strategic Issues, or PPIS, held a public lecture with the theme Indonesia Clean from Drugs from UNESA Synergizes for the Country on 14 October 2024. This event presented the head of the National Narcotics Agency of the Republic of Indonesia, Commissioner General of Police Martinus Hukom, SIK MSI, as a form of UNESA support in the national action for the prevention and eradication of narcotics abuse and illegal distribution, or P4GN. The event was held at the auditorium of Directorate Building UNESA, was attended by UNESA students and a representative from various campuses across the Surabaya area. Besides, the public lecture was also attended by more than 65 partner schools from across East Java, which joined online from areas such as Surabaya, Sidoarjo, Gresik, Bangkalan, Sumeneb, Pamekasan, Pasuruan, Jember, Jombang, Nganjuk, Kediri, Tulung Agung, Trenggalek, Madiun, Tuban, and Lamongan. As a follow-up to UNESA's commitment to drug prevention, 2 major programs were also launched during the event, including an anti-drug socialization program at 100 schools in East Java, running from October to November, and an outpatient social rehabilitation program for victims of drug abuse. This program is part of UNESA's preventive strategy in supporting the national P4GN efforts aimed at raising public awareness and encouraging the youth to avoid the dangers of drugs. During the event, UNESA received an award for its participation and contribution to the implementation of the National P4GN Action Plan in the educational environment, presented directly by the head of PNN RI.
Angka penting bagi lingkungan pendidikan, terutama perguruan tinggi yang hari ini saya dan Pak Rektor sama-sama hadir di kampus yang luar biasa ini untuk memberikan pencerahan kepada mereka yang supaya mereka tahu, paham betul fenomena narkotika seperti apa, lalu apa yang harus mereka lakukan, termasuk di dalamnya melibatkan peneliti-peneliti yang ada di lingkungan akademi ini untuk memberikan masukan-masukan kepada pemerintah, kepada Pemda, kepada BNNP, untuk memberikan atau untuk membuat kebijakan-kebijakan, membuat strategi penanganan narkoba berdasarkan hasil penelitian akademis, hasil penelitian ilmiah.
To close the series of activities, the head of BNN RI inaugurated the outpatient social rehabilitation room located on the first floor of Directorate Building, Campus 2, UNESA Lidah Wetan. Mufti Al-Farabi and Livia Rahma reporting from Surabaya. Commemorating Mental Health Month, the Faculty of Psikology UNESA recorded its name in the Indonesian Record Museum with the title Butterfly Hug by the most student. On the same occasion, the UNESA Mental Health Consultation Center and the new landmark building of the Faculty of Psychology at Campus 2 UNESA Lidah Wetan were also inaugurated, which was ready to be used by the UNESA academic community. Faculty of Psychology State University of Surabaya held Mental Health Month as a step to increase public awareness of the importance of mental health. This agenda was also a momentum for the inauguration of the Mental Health Consultation Center and a landmark of the new Faculty of Psychology building at Campus 2 UNESA Lidah Wetan. This agenda, which was held in the yard of the Faculty of Psychology UNESA, was attended by Andre Purwandono and Susangga as representatives from the Indonesian Record Museum, leadership of UNESA and UNESA academic community.
Ini nanti tidak hanya untuk mahasiswa, tetapi sivitas akademika, baik itu mahasiswa, TNI, dosen, termasuk masyarakat, itu nanti akan diberi pencerahan, edukasi, kemudian pelatihan-pelatihan, sehingga nanti ada kesadaran kesehatan mental, kesehatan hidup, karena di dalam kesehatan mental nanti akan mempengaruhi kinerja sehari-hari, termasuk kinerja akademik, kemudian kinerja bidang lain, kemudian dengan sehat mentalnya nanti akan bisa bersosialisasi dengan baik, bisa menghormati orang, saling menghormati, menghargai pendapat orang, itu bersumber dari kesehatan mental.
The event began with a group exercise session, following by 600 participants took part in a mass therapy session titled Self-Butterfly Hug Therapy Education, which was directly led by Dr. Diana Rahmasari, SPSI MSI, the Dean of the Faculty of Psychology at UNESA. The academic community solemnly embraced themselves, moving many to tears. Through this event, the Faculty of Psychology at UNESA successfully recorded its name in the Indonesian World Records Museum with the title Most Students Doing Butterfly Hug. This Butterfly Hug campaign became an initiative by the Faculty of Psychology at UNESA to encourage the academic community to pay more attention to mental health and practice self-love.
Kan konsepnya memeluk diri. Kesehatan mental itu dimulai dari mencintai diri sendiri, menerima diri apa adanya, menerima segala kekurangan dan kelebihan, mensyukuri apa yang sudah diberikan Tuhan kepada kita. Jadi kalau kita mencintai diri sendiri, maka kita bisa mencintai orang lain. Lebih baik mencintai diri sendiri yang secara kuat, karena kadang-kadang kalau misalnya kita terlalu mencintai orang lain, tidak mencintai diri sendiri, akhirnya kita akan menjadi lack of service gitu ya. Dan kalau misalnya kita tidak bisa memenuhi harapan orang lain, kita bisa self-injure, self-harm. Tapi kalau kita menghargai diri sendiri, mencintai diri sendiri, maka itu kita akan mengenali diri sendiri, potensi-potensi kita seperti yang disampaikan Bapak WR1 tadi. Kalau kita sudah mengenali potensi, maka kita akan bisa prestasi.
As a follow-up to UNESA's commitment to mental health issues, the Faculty of Psychology at UNESA also inaugurated the Mental Health Consultation Center for the UNESA academic community, named the Quality Center of Life. This step was taken as an effort to ensure the quality of life and academic well-being of the UNESA academic community, helping them avoid stress and depression when facing life pressures and rapid social changes. KC Media Coverage Team reporting from Surabaya. The State University of Surabaya added more professors to its ranks who were officially inaugurated. From the Faculty of Engineering, the Faculty of Sports and Health Sciences, the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences, the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences Education, and the Faculty of Education. This event became a proud moment for UNESA, which in just 1 month inaugurated 9 professors at once.
Establishing itself as a public legal entity university or PTNBH, UNESA once again inaugurated 9 professors in various fields of science. The inauguration of these 9 professors added to the list of professors at UNESA who were ready to contribute to the development of education in Indonesia. Held at the Graha Sawanggaling UNESA, the open meeting of the Academic Senate of the State University of Surabaya in the context of the professorial inauguration was attended by UNESA leadership, as well as the chairman of the Central CONI, retired Lieutenant General Marciano Norman.
Dengan penuh rasa bangga atas nama lembaga, saya mengucapkan selamat dan sukses atas dikukuhkannya 9 guru besar dari 5 fakultas.
Profesor Dr. Hajah Raden Roronanik Setiawati MSI, Professor in the field of educational sociology, in her scientific oration titled Humanistic Approach in Anticipating Violence Among Football Supporters, a study case of bonek supporters in Surabaya, emphasizes the humanistic approach was crucial in anticipating violence among football supporters and focus on understanding and appreciating human values.
Tentu yang pertama syukur kehadirat Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala ya, karena saat yang saya tunggu-tunggu selama saya menjadi dosen 32 tahun akhirnya terwujudkan pada hari ini. Tak terkira bahagianya Mbak, nggak bisa dikatakan.
For the next, UNESA continued to make various efforts to increase the number of professor booths through the acceleration of professorships, professors from foreign partners, as well as the awarding of honorary professor titles to individuals who had contributed to education in Indonesia. KC Media Coverage Team reporting from Surabaya.
UNESA Symphony Orchestra, or USO, from the bachelor's degree program in music, Faculty of Languages and Arts, State University of Surabaya, successfully held the annual concert titled UNESA String Orchestra 2024. This concert was not just a routine performance, but an important part of the USO's preparation for a prestigious international competition, namely the Hong Kong International Music Competition 2025. The melodies of the string instruments played by students, lecturers, and alumni of the Faculty of Languages and Arts UNESA presented a stunning performance at the UNESA Symphony Orchestra, or USO concert, at Graha Sawunggaling, Campus 2 UNESA Lidah Wetan on 21st October 2024.
Ini juga salah satu kegiatan yang rutin diadakan setiap tahun. Begitu juga karena untuk memperingati kita ingin berangkat ke Hong Kong, sebelum itu kita membuat acara terlebih dahulu. Seperti itu. Harapannya semoga acara seperti ini lebih sering lagi, lebih terkonsep. Ya, syukur Graha Sawunggaling sekarang sudah direnovasi, jadi lebih bagus. Jadi lebih semangat lagi untuk teman-teman membuat acara seperti ini lagi.
UNESA Rektor Profesor Dr. Nur Hasan MKes, who is popularly known as Cak Hasan, was present along with his wife, institutional leaders, as well as the FPSDNs. All invited guests and audiences also enjoyed the music composition that was played.
Hari ini ternyata FBS menampilkan hal-hal yang spektakuler di luar dugaan saya. Ternyata mempunyai talenta yang luar biasa, dan dengan program Golden Ticket banyak mahasiswa kita, baik itu yang mempunyai kompetensi di alat musik yang luar biasa, termasuk yang bernyanyi atau yang punya vokal keren. Sehingga saya berharap mereka mampu berkontribusi untuk menjaga marwah Universitas Negeri Surabaya.
This annual concert, titled UNESA String Orchestra 2024, was held by the Bachelor's Degree Program in Music FPS UNESA. This concert was not just a routine performance, but an important part of USO's preparation towards prestigious international competition, namely the Hong Kong International Music Competition 2025.
Kegiatan ini merupakan agenda rutin tahunan, biasanya terkait dengan persiapan untuk event-event internasional. Tapi tahun ini adalah yang paling spesial karena satu, langsung dihadiri Pak Rektor sendiri, kemudian kita juga menggunakan gedung yang barusan direnovasi. Biasanya kita di auditorium, tapi ini luar biasa, penontonnya pun luar biasa, jauh lebih banyak daripada tahun-tahun sebelumnya.
Luar biasa ya, ini adalah fasilitas yang diberikan universitas kepada mahasiswa, bisa mengekspresikan talentanya di ruangan yang megah ini.
ini luar biasa. Jadi soft skill mahasiswa kita ini terus bisa kita kembangkan, kita dukung prestasinya dan bisa nanti mengikuti kontes tingkat nasional maupun internasional, Mbak. Ya harapannya di gedung ini bisa melahirkan mahasiswa-mahasiswa yang memiliki talenta dan bisa mengekspresikan soft skill-nya untuk berprestasi, untuk dirinya, untuk UNESA, untuk Indonesia, semuanya.
At this concert, the talented conductors of UNESA perform, namely Harpang Yuda Karyawanto SPD MPD, Muhammad Sarjoko SSN MPD, and Marda Putra Mahenda SPD MPD, accompanied by vocal performance from students who earned golden tickets, including Citra Nabila, Monica, Anya Putri Kinasi, the first place winner in the Seriasa Singing Women category at the 2024 Peximida competition, and Yoga Dwi Pratama, the second place winner in the Seriasa Singing Men category Peximida 2024. Additionally, students from SD IT At-Taqwa Surabaya also contributed their voices to this performance. With intensive preparation for more than a month, rehearsals were held every day to achieve the best result. This concert reflected the spirit and motivation of the students in facing the upcoming challenges. Tia Ezar and Faisal Aditya reporting from Surabaya. In commemoration of the National Sports Day 2024, the Faculty of Sports and Health Sciences UNESA held the big celebration of HAORNAS 2024 as a means of maintaining culture and improving the spirit of sports achievement among UNESA athletes and sport practitioners at UNESA.
In commemoration of National Sport Day 2024, the Faculty of Sport and Health Sciences or FIKK UNESA held the big celebration of HAORNAS series activities with the theme Let's Exercise, United We Are Champions. This activity held on 16 October 2024 began with an interactive dialogue between the Dean of FIKK UNESA, Rector of UNESA, and the chairman of KONI East Java with RRI Surabaya in the third floor auditorium of FIKK UNESA. The interactive dialogue with the theme The Role of Campus in Producing Achieving Athletes was attended by PON athletes from the East Java contingent, students of Selompean UNESA, students and lecturers of FIKK and UNESA leadership. The momentum of National Sport Day was an effort by the government that must be escorted and colored to strengthen the field of sport. In order to support the program, Dean of FIKK UNESA, Professor Dr. Dwi Cahyo Kartiko MKes, states that UNESA has compiled various learning programs and has a special curriculum for athletes which is expected to be able to support athlete achievement both in sport and academic field. The Rector of UNESA, Professor Dr. Nur Hasan MKes, stated that every year, UNESA students always contribute achievement medals both in regional, national, and international championships.
Peran lembaga sangat terbuka dan sangat bertanggung jawab apa yang ada di sini. Jadi artinya semua kegiatan olahraga yang dilakukan oleh atlet kita wadai dengan sangat baik dan kita selalu kolaborasi dengan KONI Jawa Timur. Bagaimana caranya mereka itu fokus berlatih. Kemudian kami yang ada di fakultas itu memberikan fasilitas, memberikan kemudahan selama proses perkuliahan. Jadi prinsipnya mereka terus berlatih, dan berlatih. Kemudian kita handle semua perkuliahan dengan sangat baik, sehingga harapannya mereka tidak hanya berprestasi secara medali, mereka mendapat medali, tetapi bagaimana akademik juga mereka di atas juga. Gitu.
Saya Cak Hasan, Rektor UNESA, berharap ada misi besar sebenarnya, agar para rektor yang ada di Indonesia juga bisa melakukan seperti yang kita lakukan, agar anak-anak yang hebat ini, SDM di bidang ilmu keolahragaan ini, yang membawa nama besar daerah bahkan bangsanya, itu diapresiasi terkait dengan pendidikannya.
In the 2024 National Sport Week, UNESA contribute 20% of gold medal wins for the East Java contingent. Appreciate the achievement, the General Chairman of KONI East Java, Muhammad Nabil, appreciates UNESA's strategic steps in providing academic services to athletes.
Kalau HAORNAS-nya kan kegiatan rutin, tapi di sini ada sebuah yang strategis. Pertama, UNESA mencatat sejarah baru lagi dengan memberikan kontribusi terbanyak dalam perolehan medali PON di Aceh Sumut untuk KONI Jawa Timur. Yang kedua, saya mengapresiasi keputusan rektor tentang memberikan kesempatan anak-anak beasiswanya, mata kuliahnya, model kuliahnya yang diberikan kepada atlet sehingga atlet itu konsentrasinya tetap di latihan dan prestasi. Yang ketiga, kita selalu melakukan koordinasi kerjasama dengan UNESA untuk pengembangan atlet-atlet yang aktif di olahraga tapi kuliah di UNESA. Harapannya kuliahnya jalan, prestasinya jalan. Jangan terbalik, kuliahnya saja yang jalan, prestasinya tidak, atau prestasinya saja tapi kuliahnya. Karena kita mengantisipasi pasca atlet mereka harus beraktivitas dan di dunia kegiatan ekonomi tapi sudah punya gelar sarjana yang harus dimiliki oleh mereka, dan itu disupport penuh oleh rektor. Itu yang saya anggap sesuatu yang strategis dan kami berharap kondisi ini terus berjalan.
The opening of the 2024 National Sports Day Celebration Series at UNESA was held at the UNESA International Futsal Arena. A karate performance by students of FIKK UNESA and aerobic performance with FIKK lecturers and students further enlivened that event. Next, the rector along with the general chairman of KONI East Java and other guests visited the Sport Innovation Exhibition stand from UNESA's FIKK and Vocational Studies programs. Various sports and health products were displayed, ranging from a virtual tennis game utilizing augmented reality technology, a health check booth, massage services, nutrition education books, and sports equipment. In addition, there were also information banners showcasing the historical journey of FIKK UNESA over the years. KC Media Coverage Team reporting from Surabaya.
And good viewers, the last information also close to Cendela UNESA this time. Don't forget to send interesting information videos around you via citizen journalism to email redaksi.unesatv@unesa.ac.id. And to get actual information about UNESA, please click subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm Sabrina Sela, stay healthy and see you!
Ah!